In the sidebar of our dashboard, choose the My Accounts tab. This is where you should add your MT4 or MT5 account by clicking on the Add Trading Account button. You must fill in all the necessary data such as account type, account number, broker name, broker server, trading password, and nickname. You can also give your account a name in case adding multiple accounts is easier to identify each of them. MT4 or MT5 account information is made available by the broker via email or the respective client portal. After adding the account, you'll have to wait up to a few minutes for our validation system to validate the account credentials. Once the account is validated, you can follow a strategy by clicking in the options wheel and choosing the Follow strategy. Please bear in mind that if your account is not from a sponsoring broker, you will need to top up your HoKo balance with enough funds to cover at least 15 days of service. We will present to you a list of all strategies present in your watch list at this stage, and you can choose any of those to follow. Nevertheless, if you want to either follow a different strategy or if your watch list is currently empty, please go to the Strategies Marketplace tab and choose your preferred leading trading strategy from there. It may take up to a few minutes or hours for our support team to activate your follower account. As soon as replication is activated in your account, you'll receive an automatic notification and the account marker will change to green.